playing Arc Raiders and can't hear your teammates? Is voice chat or proximity chat not working at all? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step solutions to fix mic, voice chat, and proximity chat issues in Arc Raiders.
Open Start and type Control Panel. Open U Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Open the Recording tab. Select your mic. Now click on Set Default.